We will remove the background around the character, and replace it with this image. Under Layers, click the lock icon to unlock it. Go to the Properties tab. If it is not visible, go to Window, Properties. Scroll down and select Remove Background. In order to delete areas inside the object, go to Select, Select and Mask. On the top, select the minus icon, then go through the areas you want to delete. Press OK. To replace its background, open up the background image. Go back to the first image while the Move tool is selected, and grab the object onto the Background Image tab. In the Properties panel, change the width and height values in order to resize the object. All done. Please subscribe.